My friends, welcome back to Costco. This is part 2 of the January coupon book. If you haven't seen part 1, you can watch it after this video. And I'm so excited because we're starting the new year off right. There are so many Bobby approved items in the current coupon book, I had to break it into two first. So let's walk around Costco, show you what's on sale so you buy the best quality stuff for you and your family. But I do also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Now they're like an 8-year supporter of the Flav City channel, but one of my favorite things about them is pretty much anything you could find at the grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper and the box comes to your home. You don't even have to leave your house if you don't want to. And I typed out a list of all my favorite Thrive Market items, food and personal care. Put them in the description box. When you click my link down there, you get 30% off your first order and a free gift, so check it out. Less talking, more shopping. Let's go. I like to make avocado mash and guacamole at home, but sometimes you can't find good ripe avocados, or sometimes you just want to be lazy. This brand is great. It's called Good Foods. It's on sale. You get 16 2-ounce little containers for $9.49. Honestly, I think at that price to get this much, it might cost the same, if not cheaper, than you buying that quantity of avocados, which can be so expensive at the store. Some of these pre-made ones have a really tangy off flavor. That's because they'll put like lime oil in there, which is so strong. What I like about these guys, they use real lemon juice combined with Hass avocados, salt and pepper. That's it. It's such a great deal. You put this on a sandwich or an avocado toast, you get your healthy fats from the avocados, you're saving money, winner. Well, I was super excited when I saw the coupon book had a Bobby approved keto granola on sale. This is the keto granola that's been here forever. Tis $4 off for a big 22-ounce bag. But this is why we always read ingredients or scan it with the Bobby approved app, because I did scan it right before I picked it up. Not approved. Why? They started putting natural flavors in here. It didn't have natural flavors in the past. Most importantly, where's the natural flavor? It's part of the butter. Butter has a lot of flavor as is. Why the heck? Why would you do that, as Maniscalco would say? Why would you put natural flavors in butter? That's crazy, because without that, this is a non-GMO seed, coconut, almond, a little bit of erythritol, blueberry, and butter granola. That is delicious, but putting the natural flavors in there means it's officially on the naughty list. If you're still looking for the best granola, I think it's still only in the Southeast, but if you come over here, this is keto also. The 7 Sundays one, keto, nut, seeds, unbelievable. That is super disappointing. This is a better for you option for soda drinkers. It's called Poppi. It's on sale right now. Now, technically it has natural flavors, but all sodas do. If you have someone in your life or you are trying to get off of regular soda, diet sodas like Diet Pepsi, Diet Coke, I would argue are even worse because they have horrible fake sweeteners called Ace K, sucralose, aspartame. Poppi, Olipop, Zevia don't have those horrible sweeteners. This one has a little touch of stevia, but it has only 4 grams of sugar and it has prebiotics. It has inulin in there and apple cider vinegar. I'm okay with the natural flavors in here because, like I said, all other sodas have them, and I prefer you get 0 or 4 grams of sugar per can than 35 grams of high fructose corn syrup, and it has the prebiotics. So is it Bobby approved? No, but it's a way better for you option and the price is right. This is probably the better for you option in all of Costco of almond flour crackers or crackers in general. It's Simple Mills. This is a ridiculous deal compared to the grocery store. To get 20 ounces for $10.89 is fantastic, plus the $3.50 off. So it comes down to $7 and change. But it's not Bobby approved for one reason. Why? I love the flour blend. It's gluten-free, but it's made with nutrient-dense almonds, sunflowers, flax seeds, cassava flour, onion, and garlic. They don't use natural flavors, but they use sunflower oil, which is a processed inflammatory oil. Now, is it better than most crackers anywhere? Yes, but it's not quite Bobby approved. But if you want the best for you option at Costco, for that price, you're not going to beat it. They do have a lot of Bobby approved crackers on thrivemarket.com. My favorite one is made of all nuts and seeds and they use no oil. It's called Mary's Gone Crackers and they have a great price on Thrive Market. And of course they have Kiki milk, they have in 7 Sundays, all my favorites on Thrive Market, including personal care items. I typed the list down below and my link gets you 30% off your first order and a free gift, so check it out. This is a sweet treat that's relatively new to the warehouse. I saw it a few weeks ago. It's dark chocolate coconut cups on sale for $3 off. This is a better for you option. It's so close to being Bobby approved, but not quite, because here's the deal. It's really nice. It's organic, which is cool, but dark chocolate, sweetened with a touch of cane sugar, cocoa butter, real vanilla, not natural flavors. The white chocolate has sugar, organic, non-GMO, whole milk, coconut butter concentrate, macaron, coconut, and coconut. My only issue with it is that for 1 cup, it's 3 grams of added sugar. Now, compare that to like dark chocolate blueberries or something like that, and a serving of this has 17 grams of added sugar. So is it a better for you option? Yes. I wish it was just a little bit lower in sugar, or maybe they use like allulose or monk fruit, but still, if you want something that's way better for you than most here and saving money, give it a try. I feel like a lot of people are going to look over this sale item, but I oftentimes call them the Rodney Dangerfield of the seafood world. They get no respect, I'm telling you. But these sardines, number one, are $3 off. So you're getting 6 tins for $8. This is the most nutrient-dense snack you could ever make. Why? Because sardines. Look what it says right here. 1,700 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are the good omegas. They're anti-inflammatory. This is an amazing fat that if you take this, put it on a Bobby-approved avocado toast or whatever you want, delicious. Plus, always check what fish, canned fish, are packed in. A lot of times they're packed in water, which is good. Sometimes they're packed in soybean oil, sunflower oil. These are packed in olive oil. Polyphenol, antioxidant-rich olive oil. I wish it was extra virgin olive oil, and there is one around the corner that is packed in EVOO, but still, this is Bobby approved. That's approved for your wallet. Grab it. Lots of folks are gonna get this pomegranate juice on sale because it's a good deal. And POM is a great antioxidant source, but I want you to think about what you're actually drinking, because this is not cold pressed or fresh squeezed pomegranate juice. Read the ingredients. It's POM juice from concentrate. Now, I'm okay for fruit juice concentrate to be used as like sweeteners and jelly and stuff like that, but when you're using it as a primary juice, let's think about this for a second. How do they get concentrate? They take fresh juice of pomegranates. They cook it down or dehydrate it down to a powder and put it on a shelf, sometimes with stabilizers, and then when it's time to reconstitute it, a year later, they add water. It's very highly processed, so it has none of the nutrition left. But an 8-ounce portion has 34 grams of sugar. Yes, it's the natural sugar in there, but 34 grams of sugar is 8.5 teaspoons of pure liquid sugar coming from highly processed fruit juice concentrate. Antioxidants, yes, but I don't want that kind of sugar, and I don't want fruit juice concentrate. I only want cold pressed juices. Now, right now is pomegranate season. If you walk over to the fruit section, they have a big box of pommies. Go ahead, scoop those out, eat them, press them. This, not so much. I've said many times there aren't any supplements I buy here at Costco, but there are a few Bobby approved ones on sale. Youtheory is solid. This is ashwagandha root on sale for $4 off. Ashwagandha is great for chill, baby, chill, for stress relief. It's a natural stress reliever. You see the ingredients. Ashwagandha root extract and powder is the main ingredient. Always with supplements, check the other ingredients. They usually have horrible. These are clean as can be, Bobby approved, but there's more right over here. Right here, we've got turmeric extract and collagen pills, both $8 off, $4 off. This is great because turmeric is anti-inflammatory, anti-carcinogen. But I've said it before, this is not the same turmeric you would spice food with. If you look at the ingredients, it's curcumin extract. That's the very, very strong extract of the turmeric. Look at the other ingredients once again, clean as can be. If you need anti-inflammatory relief, curcumin is fantastic. Saving money is fantastic too. And if we come over here, I showed the Vital Proteins collagen on sale in the powder form. Some people can't do powder form, so this is the best pill form out there. Now, keep in mind, Youtheory is not grass-fed or pasture-raised, but according to their website, it is non-GMO. Other ingredients, totally fine. So if you can't do the Vital Proteins powder, boom goes the dynamite. Good for you and saving money again. All right, friends, that is it for the two-parter series of what to buy at Costco in January. Like I said earlier, if you didn't see part 1 that dropped yesterday, go and watch that because I'm so happy we started the year with a robust sale. Also, do check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. All my favorite Thrive Market items are typed out in the description box, and my link gets you 30% off your first order and a free gift. But I'm going to finish off shopping from Costco. I leave you like I always do. # keep on cooking. Mad love. Peace. Bye.